Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. Not sure what's in here, but likely a response to the community post, so I appreciate whoever sent this. We'll take a look here in just a sec. Thank you so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on some cool stickers and other benefits, there's of course a link right down in the description. Your support means the world to me. And please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and make our do I need to? Actually, this one's already kind of open on one side. Boy, whoever sharpened this scalpel sure did a good job. Alright. Was that sarcasm? Was that serious? I don't know. For people who don't know that it was me who sharpened it. Okay, what do we have here? It's an MBK pouch, but it doesn't necessarily mean that that is what is in that. You know what? Oh, there's no note in the box. Maybe it's in here. Yes. Okay, hold on. Hold on. There's a lot of pocket clips in there. All right. Do you have... Okay, thank you so much, reading. And taking a look, Brian. Thank you so much, Brian, for sending this stuff. I don't see an Instagram, but I really appreciate you sending these knives for me to review, buddy. All right, let's see what we've got here. All right, first off, I'm pretty sure this is the Civivi Dogma. Yeah, let me wipe that off real quick. Do we have a... Well, yeah, there we go. Using an artisan cutlery cloth to wipe off a Civivi. Sorry. That's alright. Very cool. This is the brass variant, it looks like. Very interesting. Like that forward... Oh, yeah. Oh, that's... Yeah, I really like that. Wow. This is nice. From what I understand with this knife is it's not expensive, but, you know, the brass gives it the solidity and heft where... You know, if somebody were to handle this, they would think that's a really, that must be an expensive knife. You know, and Civivi does a great job with that. But these new brass variants, especially with this texturing in here and the contrast between the black and... Is this... What's the blue? I don't know that that's intentional. I don't think that's an embellishment. I think that's just something that they used, you know, that rubbed off on the knife that they used it on. Let me make sure that that is correct. There's a note here. Yeah, Dogma brass. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. And we have another got a knife right here. Oh, yeah. Okay, so this is interesting. This is something I just want to talk about. This is a customized Rat 2. And I think there's a specific person who does this, or maybe not. Maybe it's just like somebody just modding the knife, or it's a popular mod. But I've seen this mod floating around on Instagram, and essentially what they've done here is they've turned this into kind of a pseudo Spyderco knife with a forward choil. And yeah, I am very much like that. I instantly want that done to my own rat. I want that done right now. Man, I like that. What a great mod. Can you do the... Can we, please? Can we get that? There we go. Yeah, you totally can. But that little hole right there makes it a little bit easier to wheel in and out, right? That's nice. The biggest thing here is the forward choil. This is something I want to talk about. Maybe it'll give me a chance to talk about the Rat a little bit more. Got some customizing going on here on the standoffs. I think they do that with heat. I don't think those are titanium, but maybe they are. I'll find out a little bit more. Pivot has been altered. Pocket clip has been tumbled. It looks like kind of like a acid wash tumbling, liners and everything like that. Nice and laid on that lock up there, but maybe that's just a product of it being used for a while. In any case, this is super, super cool. That is very interesting. Thank you for sending that. And then the last one here is the Spyderco Watu. And, oh, you know what? I didn't realize this was a compression lock. I thought this was a liner lock. That's kind of a game changer for me. So as you can imagine, well, no. I was about to say that the ergonomic lines were almost non-existent, but that curvature does make it pretty comfortable. And these... So I looked at this and I was like, that looks like holding a piece of sharp origami made out of tinfoil, right? No, actually, this is pretty comfortable. These areas here are nicely knocked down. This curvature right in here allows for your hand to kind of lock in and hold. Man, my opinions of this are 180 right off the bat. I mean, in terms of just like my first impressions, it's very easy to manipulate. You can totally get the reverse flick. This is cool. Very, very angular. 20 CV too. Didn't know that. Taichung Taiwan, which is great. I mean, that's where the you know, the feeling of quality and fit and finish is coming from. For anybody who doesn't know, I'm a big fan of the American Spydercos. I love them. I own tons of them. 4, I think, something like that. I can't remember. But Taichung Taiwan has better fit and finish all the way around. Not to say that the American stuff doesn't. The American stuff is great. But Taichung Taiwan takes it a step further. So all of that's translating here. But then we have, to my surprise, a compression lock. Just me not paying attention when I was reading about it. 20 CV, which is great. Fully flat ground blade. And surprisingly very comfortable. And the wire clip, man, this is, like, I looked at this one and I was like, okay, Spyderco, that's weird. And seriously, the first time I looked at that, I thought, what a weird looking knife, but okay, you know, it's like just a very angular bird. Pretty cool though. This was a fun one. I mean, listen, I love expensive knives, like the really crazy high-end stuff, but a really nice budget knife, a really nice mod on a classic budget knife, right? We're referring to the Rad as classic now. That's where we're at here in 2020. And then I love it when designs surprise me. I love it when weird stuff that looks like something I wouldn't be into is just turns out, like, at least on first impressions, to be really cool. So yeah, that's cool. I will link, well, I don't have links for the modder. Right, I'll link the Rad, I'll link the Dogma, and I'll link the Watu. I think I'm getting that correct. Let me look at the note again. Sorry, this is a clustered unboxing. Oh, Hilltop Knives Modded. Rat 4 is what they're calling it. So, Hilltop Knives. Let me, here, so I can fold this so you guys can see. I don't want to give away his personal information. That's right there. You can see Hilltop Knives Modded Spyderco Rat 4. So you guys can check that out if you want to. I'll link the Rat 1 and 2, the Dogma, and the Watu so you guys can take a look. Very cool. This was a very fun unboxing. Thank you again, Brian, for sending this stuff. Really, really interesting. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it today. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, go ahead and, there's, of course, lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do not like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.